Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on finding the best mosquito trap for your yard, where comfort and enjoyment of your outdoor space can thrive without the annoyance and health concerns brought about by these pesky insects. Mosquitoes are not only bothersome but can also transmit various diseases, making it crucial to employ effective methods to control their population. In this guide, we will delve into the world of mosquito traps, exploring the various types, features. 5. Catchy Indoor Insect. The Catchy Indoor Insect Trap is a versatile solution for addressing small-scale infestations of smaller bugs in your living spaces. Its portability, quiet operation, and user-friendly design make it a convenient option for those seeking basic insect control. However, its trapping method has limitations that affect its overall effectiveness. The device's gradual killing mechanism also poses a risk of some insects escaping. Notably, it is not suitable for handling larger flies. While the Catchy trap is suitable for portable or single-room mosquito and gnat protection, it may not provide comprehensive results. 4. AWOKO LED 5 watts wall. The AWOKO fly trap is a pest control device designed to keep indoor spaces free from flies, mosquitoes, moths, and other small insects. It comes with a 78 extra long power cord and 6 sticky glue boards. This product utilizes LED UV light to attract pests, capturing them onto the sticky glue boards. The design is safe and eco-friendly, using a non-toxic attractant on the glue boards. The trap is suitable for indoor areas like homes, kitchens, restaurants, hotels, factories, supermarkets, and hospitals, covering spaces up to 900 square feet. The upgraded version features energy-efficient LED UV lights, providing brighter lighting compared to fluorescent bulbs. 3. Dynatrap DT2000 XL-PSR. The Dynatrap DT2000 XL-PSR insect trap is a large-scale solution designed to attract and eliminate flying insects, primarily mosquitoes, in outdoor areas. The trap covers up to 1 acre of land and operates without pesticides, chemicals, or odors. It employs a multi-step approach for insect capture. A UV fluorescent bulb emits warm light to attract insects, a titanium dioxide-coated surface produces CO2 to further entice them, and a quiet vacuum fan pulls the insects into a retaining cage where they eventually dehydrate and die. 2. Bug Zapper 4200V. The Bug Zapper 4200 volts by Tysoner is a versatile insect elimination solution suitable for both outdoor and indoor spaces. It features a high-powered design with a 4200 volts electric grid, ensuring effective elimination of even the toughest flying insects. The Bug Zapper is weather-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor use, and its protective cage enhances safety around kids and pets. It promises to replace weak bug zappers for a bug-free environment. The zapper is eco-friendly, utilizing advanced 15 watts UV light technology to attract and capture flying insects without any chemicals or harmful substances. 1. Electric Bug Zapper. The electric bug zapper is a powerful solution designed to eliminate pesky flies and mosquitoes from your indoor and outdoor spaces. With a 3000-volt electric grid and a 20 watts blue UV light attractant, it effectively targets a variety of bugs like moths, fruit flies, and fungus gnats. The review article discusses its features, benefits, and value. It operates noiselessly, ensuring disturbance-free use, and its high-voltage grid guarantees swift insect elimination. The Bug Zapper's blue UV light attractant efficiently draws insects in. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best mosquito trap for your yard, it's essential to consider a solution that effectively addresses the challenges posed by these pesky insects. The electric Bug Zapper stands out as a strong contender in this regard. Its 3000-volt electric grid and 20 watts blue UV light attractant create a powerful combination that efficiently targets and eliminates various flying insects, including mosquitoes, moths, and fruit flies. The quiet operation of the electric Bug Zapper ensures that your outdoor environment remains undisturbed while effectively reducing the mosquito population. Its scientific backing.